Have you guys ever seen this happen on a CP3 pump where the gear missing teeth? Pulled it off of a Cummins 5.9. See, these are different than a pickup truck because they're bigger right here. Because it's on an ISB, out of a Freightliner, but it has the same engine block. It's just the timing covers on the back of the engine instead of the front, so it's a little bit different. To where you could take it out with the gear on it, but this unit wouldn't start, and so we pulled it out, put another pump in it, started right up, ran great. But now I need to replace the gear. I don't know where the teeth went. I think they ended up in the oil pan.